Strut channels, sometimes referred to as Unistrut channels, are standardized metal framing components used in a wide range of construction and industrial applications. They are typically formed from steel or aluminum into a C-shaped or U-shaped cross-section, with evenly spaced slots or holes along their length to allow easy attachment to fittings, clamps, and other hardware. Types of channels: C, U-type, standard type, and G-type profiles. C, U-type solar channels. Deep, C, section with long flanges and a pronounced web, superior section modulus and load capacity per unit weight. Standard Unistrut channels. Shallower U-section with shorter flanges, optimized for lighter framing. Reduced material usage with adequate rigidity for secondary supports. G-type solar mounting channels. Custom G geometry featuring integrated grooves, or lips for snap-in fittings. Higher torsional stiffness and simplified hardware attachment. Strut channel roll forming machine, your one-stop solution for solar and industrial framing. Our strut channel roll forming machine is designed for continuous production of high-quality strut channels used in metal framing, solar mounting systems, cable management, and construction projects worldwide. It processes galvanized steel, stainless steel, or aluminum coils into accurately shaped C-channels, or strut channels with smooth edges and consistent dimensions, and produce Unistrut channels. Production process. Material loading. The hydraulic decoiler holds and feeds the steel coil. Leveling. The material passes through a leveling unit to remove coil set. Punching. Hydraulic punching unit creates holes according to preset patterns. Roll forming. The strip is shaped gradually through multiple roll forming stations. Cutting. The formed channel is cut to length by hydraulic or flying shear cutting. Collection. Finished products are stacked and ready for packaging or direct shipment. Key features and advantages. Precision forming. Each station of our Unistrut channel roll forming machine is designed with high-grade rollers and precise alignment to ensure dimensional accuracy and minimize material deformation. Integrated punching system. The solar panel structure roll forming machine can punch various hole patterns in a single cycle, reducing the need for secondary processing and increasing efficiency. Heavy-duty structure. Built with a rigid steel frame, this solar mounting frame roll forming machine is capable of long-term operation under heavy workloads without compromising performance. Easy operation and automation. The Siemens PLC system allows operators to set production lengths and quantities in advance. Automatic measuring and cutting, minimize waste and improve consistency. Contact Kindrel to customize your strut channel roll forming machine.